So I've met just now the first people who with the customs. We are here to Rialto Bridge. So yeah, I've noticed this year not so many people with the customs. I don't know. Me, I have tomorrow and after tomorrow, but I think the same. So yeah. So here we are to Rialto Bridge. Both sides. First side, the second side. And yes. This video will be a little longer because not shorts. It's just Venezia è sacra. Questa per la mafia. Sì. Andiamo. A cute dog. So maybe this should be live. Yes, maybe later I'll do live. No mafia, Venezia è sacra. But really not many people this year. And it's the last weekend for carnival. This carnival it's take place till 1st March. Yeah. Allora, ci vediamo più tardi, ciao.